hours later.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. We got a lot going on today. We are about to go pick up the Audi R8. The ski box is complete. OP, the guy at Life Motorsport, he just sent me a text message with the pictures. Oh, baby! She looks so good. So we got to go pick up the R8. Then we're headed off to the tire shop. And then we're headed up to Park City to Summit Auto Lab. And Clayton is going to wrap that ski box black. My Uber is going to be here in about 12 minutes. So, yeah, I got to change because, well, it's like 32 degrees outside. The R8 is done. The R8 is done. Best car you can get for $40,000. Looks so mean. So Cole, the owner of Life Motorsport, this is his Miata. It's not really his daily, it's more of one of his fun vehicles. $300 lift kit, beefy tires. Dude, well done, well done. Life Motorsport, if you need a custom ski box built, these are your guys. Let's go check it out. Dude, yo, I'm snaking you guys right now. This looks absolutely killer. Check this out. Dude, it looks so good. Ladies and gentlemen, the man, the myth, the legend, OP, thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much. I walked into Life Motorsport, I don't know, late last week, and I was like, can we build a ski box for the Audi R8? And we're standing here a couple days later, and it's completely done. So if you guys own an Audi R8 and you need a ski box, he's your guy. It always takes a little bit of time to build confidence in these Sea-Sucker vacuum cups. I know they're rated up to like 150 miles per hour, but there's nothing like putting a few miles on the car to just kind of build some reassurance, if you will. We're off to a pretty good start. We're going 55 miles per hour per usual, and the box has not gone flying off. So that's a good start. A great start, in fact. Really the only start that we wanted. Now, of course, no ski box video can be filmed without a little bit of controversy. I understand a lot of you guys don't like it, but goodness gracious, I love it. It's kind of a Utah thing, so if you live in like Southern California or Florida, you don't understand, but those mountains, it's kind of a way of life, and I want a car that fits my way of life. Also, before you spew a bunch of hate comments in the comments below, wait until the box is wrapped black, because once it's black, trust me, it's gonna look so much better. Okay, so we're here at Burt Brothers. We're getting the new tires installed because, well, if you guys saw the video a couple weeks ago, I was on bald summer tires and I got stuck in the snow. New tires, ready to rock and roll. Well, she doesn't get very good mileage. It looks like we're headed into a bit of a storm. All the cars headed the opposite direction have a good dusting of snow on them. Things are starting to heat up a little bit more, if you will. They're not heating up, they're actually cooling off. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Summit Auto Lab. Now, I don't want to ruin the surprise for what's going to come later on in the vlog, but I'm pretty sure with about 100% certainty that some snow shenanigans could be ensuing pretty soon. This is the good stuff. This is what we want. Utah, fun fact, Utah has the best snow on earth. I'm pretty sure that's a self-proclamation, but nevertheless, it's good snow. Summit Auto Lab, vinyl protection film 10. Hey. What's that? Ooh. How's it going? Dude, that looks sick. Thanks. So this is our favorite donut parking lot. This is the Sundance overflow lot. 99.9% of the time it's empty, but this week happens to be Sundance. So I don't know if we're gonna get lucky, but that'll do. Oh. That'll definitely do. If you guys were worried, if you were getting nervous, don't worry, we're good. The first rule of doing donuts is you have your fun and then you get lost. I wish I could convey the smell of fresh rubber to you guys. You're just gonna have to trust me, but we're breaking in the new tires as you do. Okay, it's called time to roll. Oh, I can see the tires moving. It's pretty good ice buildup. Yeah. We're here at Summit Auto Lab. You guys know Clayton. If you don't know Clayton, once again, you should have seen him. He was in my video like 2 videos back or something. Owner of Summit Auto Lab. So I still have some adhesive left over from the purple vinyl on the Lambo. So Clayton has some very industrial grade adhesive remover that smells quite fragranty.
Pretty potent.
It's very potent. Dude, Clayton should be vlogging.
That's why I'm so far away.
Yeah, jeez. If you guys have a car and you need it wrapped, well, Clayton's your guy, he's my guy, he's the best. Also, you guys remember that 911 he's been working on? Check this thing out. So there's a printed vinyl. It has the Martini livery with like that rustic finish. Clayton is just changing the game here. This is one of my favorite details right there. Just so cool. The full carbon wing right there. Just check that out. Dude. What do you think, Sal? What do you reckon? Oh, look at that pose right there. Dude, that majestic pose. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, never mind. See, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right, guys, if that's not sick, I don't know what is sick. Dude, it looks so cool here in the snow. It looks killer. How did it look in motion?
It looks sick.
Yeah. Seems like a good opportunity for a food vlog. We're here at Wendy's, 4 for 4, as you do. $4, guys, this was $4. We got chicken nuggets, we got a tasty looking chicken sandwich, we got french fries, we got a drink. Dude, it looks so killer. It looks so good, just check that out. Dude, yes, yes. I'm just so happy with how this turned out. It has completely exceeded my expectations. I mean, goodness gracious, how cool is that? You guys can now give your final verdict. Do you love it or do you hate it? I don't know how you couldn't help but love it. The cage is gonna be powder coated next week at Life Motorsport, of course black, and that will really complete the look. There's a couple more exciting modifications in the very near future. Obviously, I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is because I'm a snake, but one of the coolest things about this, we didn't have to drill into the car, so it's completely removable. We got the 4 Sea-Sucker vacuum cups holding it down. The design that Life Motorsport came up with is so cool. And just look at the welding. Absolutely perfect. Let me know if I'm completely off base right now, but how cool would it be to turn this thing into a safari Audi R8? Seen that Miata yesterday at Life Motorsport. Could you imagine cutting the fenders, lifting it, and putting some BF Goodrich all-terrain tires? That would be epic. Don't worry, I'm not gonna cut the fenders. I'm not gonna cut the fenders. Also, the accident. You guys might remember I got backed into. Well, the accident has not been repaired quite yet, but soon. And when I say soon, I mean sometime between now and when the collision center calls me back, which could be forever. In the last video, I may or may not have fallen asleep on you guys. That's not gonna happen today, but today's vlog is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.